Comedy for a minute. Give it up for the comedy of Bird. Bird, y'all, Bird. All right now. God damn, what up, though? Hey, it's hot in the motherfucker in this bitch. Shit, they playing that heat. They want motherfuckers to go to work. Like, niggas get comfortable, goddammit. Shit, I love starters. I love starters. Yeah. Shit, I love this bitch. I come here and start some shit. I like order some food and take the breakfast. Never mind, I don't want that shit. That's how you start shit on starters. Fuck that. They gonna tell me I don't want it. Shit. I can change my mind. I got high decisions. Shit. I be starting shit like a motherfucker. A nigga walked in with his woman. I say, man, I already hit that already. He was mad as hell. I'm like, nigga, I had it in high school, nigga. Shit. That nigga pissed off. I fucked up the nigga whole night. Oh, man. That shit crazy as hell. Hey, you all been so high, you just do a hot, dumb ass shit. She was so slow on the weed today, I flagged the police down. Like, y'all want to buy some weed? I say shit, but I need a donation. I told her I don't need a donation, though. I don't want no money. Hey, that's when you know you high. I said, I was so high, I was at the green light like that bitch was a stop sign. I was high as a motherfucker. That's how the bitch.
Or you be at the stop sign like a real.
Man, y'all love drinking and driving? Drinking and driving is shit. But that's all I do, drink and drive. And smoke. I do both of them bitches. All wrong shit to do. Drinking and driving is shit till the police get behind you. See, the police got behind me, I pulled over and told them bitches, go ahead. Y'all go ahead, motherfuckers. They pulled over and told me, go ahead. I was like, oh shit. It's about to be some trouble. The weed man versus the police. Y'all know who won, the weed man. The weed man is shit. I love starters. I took like 10 shortcuts to get here. 10. Still ran to the police. That's fucked up, man. Y'all love Detroit? Detroit the shit. Shit. Man, I turned the corner. I ran it, took like 10 potholes. I got like 3 donuts on my car. I ain't lying, I got 1 real tire left. Can I live? Can I make it?
Trying to fix it. Trying to fix it for me.
I gotta live and make it at the same time. Detroit the shit though. I was stopped at the gas station today. Soon I pulled up, I was like, nephew, let me get $10. I was like, God damn. That started off asking for 10 now. They don't ask for change no more. They moving on up for the deuce. $10 and up. I say, fam, can I get a job with you? He told me come tomorrow at 12. So y'all see me at the BP gas station, come and holler at me. I'm pumping gas. Damn. I got me a new job. Okay. Come and holler at me. That nigga get so much money, he say he filed the taxes this year. He out here killing them. Man, only in the deep, man. I love this motherfucker. Yeah. Thank y'all for coming out for an AA meeting. You know what I'm saying? This is an AA meeting. That's why I feel like I'm in an AA meeting. My name is... Hey, that's for alcoholics for real. My name is Derek Murray. I'm an alcoholic. That's my real name now. Shit, I ain't running for the police no more. Shit, I'm free as a bird. Free at last. Black History Month. Free at last, goddammit. Free at last. I said, well, everybody sell drugs out of jail this month. Because it's Black History Month. Give us a break. God damn. How's it gonna come up? Shit, I ain't hired nowhere no more. Ain't no jobs out here. Somebody here middleman nickel bags. Damn. I ain't lying. Shit, I be trying to make $2 off each nickel sale. Shit. I'm a hustler. Ain't nobody can out hustle me in this bitch. I swear to God. On everything. Shit, I go to the blood bank twice a day. Shit, 1 for gas, 1 for weed. Fuck you mean? I can't out-hustle me. I'm the hustler of the week.
You didn't say you go to the club.
Yeah, twice a day, baby. Shit, I need a sugar cookie now. Y'all got some sugar cookies out there? I'm weak as hell. Look at me. I'm weak, baby. I need a sugar cookie. Shit, I wish so much. Oh, shit. Bring it up here, then. Bring that pussy up here, then, baby. Bring it up here. Shit, bring it up here. Shit, bring that pussy up here. Shit. Bring it up here, baby. I'm getting with the hips. Hey, I'm getting with the hips, not with the lips, baby. Bring that pussy up here. Bring it on stage, goddammit. I gotta calm them shit. I got a rubber. Shit. I like that. I think she jokers. I'm for real.
She ain't bullshit with you.
I ain't playing either. Shit. I can drop this mic now. We can jump and get the fuck out of here. It's time to fuck. Shit. I need some new pussy. Hey, fellas, what's better than some new pussy or some old pussy?
New pussy.
New pussy, the shit.
And old pussy.
I want some new pussy.
I love my old pussy.
Shit, don't let me hit that pussy tonight.
I like both of them though.
Don't let me get that pussy tonight, baby. We going to the gas station. We got one of them gas station dick pills. You ready for me tonight, for real?
That's a bad.
I gotta go to the gas station and grab one of them gas station dick pills.
Damn.
Yeah.
Shit, I'm trying to kill it. I'm trying to pick up and kill it and kill it and kill it. Yeah. Oh man, shit. Life is too short. Life is a bitch, then you die. That's why I get high. I've been getting high all my life. I'm scared if I stop, I'm gonna die. I'm just gonna fall out. Oh man, I love me. You love me too, baby. That's what's up. That's a good thing.
Actually, she love you without no deodorant.
Only on starters though. It's only for the night. Shit, my real name is the One Night Stand. I'm just here for the night though. One Night Stand, baby. That's my name for real. Shit, one night only, baby. Yeah, that's me. Look me up, baby. I'm old school. I'm in the yellow pages. Shit, I ain't at Facebook. I ain't on Instagram. None of that shit. I'm in the yellow pages, baby. I'm old school. Shit, you see me? I'm born ready.
God is hilarious.
Man, we having fun tonight, y'all. You know what I'm saying? That's what's up, boy. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Boy, you drink, the funnier this shit get. Drink up, baby, drink up. Drink up, boo. Yeah, I'm gonna tell. Hey, where the ratchets at? I'm gonna tell the ratchets I need 2 shots of water and bring my change back. No water. She want vodka. Ooh, yeah. Ciroc, that white keep you hyped. That brown put you down. That's what's up. She ready tonight. Seem like she ready. Pussy's in the building. Hey, y'all fellas ain't never had no pussy. Kill yourself. Kill yourself. Pussy feel good. Man, I'm trying to tell you, say money though. Money feel better than pussy though. I take the money first. Then the pussy. Yeah, I take the money first. Then I get the pussy.
That's what, if you ain't got no money, you ain't getting no pussy or shit.
Damn, how about credit cards? How about credit cards? Credit gonna get no pussy?
Yeah, some credit, nigga. We need real
motherfucking. Damn, I got credit. Credit better than anything. What you know, baby? I'm credit out. Huh? I got credit. Huh? Ain't no RU? You want that money up front? Come on, holler at me right now. Up front, I'm ready. Right here. We're gonna start a porno show right here at Stars. Fuck, we ain't bullshit. Head first. Head first.
I want to take you back to the
Head first.
These pussies are rotten. They cost too much.
Head.
Not worth.
Head, booty, income. What you want?
I got a boost bubble phone bill. That's all it is.
Hey, that's what it is, man. I like her, man. For real. You must be single tonight too, huh? Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
already told you.
Oh,
I
yeah.
ain't never married nobody.
Oh, yeah. Okay, baby. That's what it is.
Ain't no one person afford me.
Oh, what it came? How much you cost? What's too much? What's too much? Oh, too much problem? Too much trouble? I believe you. You got an attitude problem?
All day long.
What kind of attitude problem you got?
I'm allergic to broke motherfuckers.
For real? Damn. You had enough. Hey, I'm about to get off this stage. We about to have a real interview right now. There you, baby. Here I come. Hey, Tony, grab this motherfucking mic. I'm going back in the back, goddammit. Hell yeah, this shit just got for real. It got for real tonight, goddammit. Hey, Tony, grab this motherfucker. I'm gonna buy this bitch. Oh, Tony hosting. Goddamn, Tony on a commercial break. Yeah.